Hello. We have arrived at Don Muang Airport, and then eventually we managed to find the way to the railway station. Cross these hectic roads with luggage and kids. You can see there's other people there that's also we're gonna go and cross this road. Eben has rushed over there to go and get some tickets. The train is arriving in 5 minutes. We are sitting here extremely tired and exhausted, and we are on our way to Ayutthaya to go and see very old temples. But worried, Eben is taking quite some time there with the tickets, and if we miss this train, not sure when the next train will be. Still no sign of Eben coming back. I'm really getting worried now. Are we gonna make it? Honestly, don't know when the next train will be, and even if there's a next train. The kids are so unhappy and upset. They are hungry, they want to eat. It's just been a rush since this afternoon trying to be in time for planes. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Run. Come on. The security is going to close the gate. Seems like it, I don't know. Come on, Eben. Come on, Eben. We are really making it.
So I jumped the queue again because I think the train is coming. But once again, I thought the guy got it wrong. So I told him 2 adults, 2 children to Ayutthaya or Ayutthaya. He said 44 baht. I said no, 2 children and 2 adults. He said, oh sorry, 330 baht. So I gave him another 300 baht. He said no, 33 baht.
What?
It's 33 baht to Ayutthaya, which is 54 kilometers from here for 2 adults and 2 children.
Oh wow. Made it in time for this train. Like 2 minutes. Oh wow. It is packed.
On our way to Ayutthaya, something like that, in a public train, and the kids are quite excited. Right, so the train took us 54 kilometers for 33 baht. We get a tuk-tuk, 2 kilometers, 120 baht.
Hotel.
To the hotel, yes.
Yeah, tomorrow the tour around the temple.
Oh, okay.
Really good.
Right, everybody in. Yeah. Me too. All the luggage, you say it's weight. Right. Hey.
Yeah, and then
Jump. Oh, that was my head. You can see my head is very close to this. Problem with this, the youngest child of ours, she is so loud and this place is so quiet. They're screaming and they're running, and there's not another noise in this place. You're having a red curry.
Red curry, and it's lovely.
It looks divine.
Spicy.
I'm having the normal flat noodle type of thing. And here's our second chunk. Kabuka. She's bigger for me.
This is actually bigger with
Okay, no surprise for Megan.
This is actually bigger with the corn.
Of course.
Baby corn.
There's surang inside. It's mushroom. Very mushroom pea. Yeah, very mushroom. Yeah, see, I love mushroom.
Mok.
Cabbage, will you cabbage?
You want some cabbage? Girls, what are you having?
Ice cream.
Why did you get to have ice cream?
Milo ice cream. Because we ate all our food. We was this actually a surprise?
Yeah.
And we get to eat all our food.
Well done. What did you have for dinner?
Ice cream, chocolate, vegetables, and fried chicken.
And how did it taste?
Good.
Early morning here in Ayutthaya, and I'm off to come and see this, the ruins of ancient temples. The sun is about to come up. Whether we're gonna see anything or not is debatable. But here are some ruins which you can see. I don't know if we can get in yet. It looks like they're closed this time of the morning. But I'll make a plan, don't worry.
A scooter and we're on our way to go and see all the temples and the ruins. Yes.
But this is the most scariest place I've rode a motorbike. There's no signs in the roads. It's big double lane with islands in the middle type of roads crossing each other with absolutely no signs. So everybody decides for themselves whether they want to stop or not. Oh, sorry. Apologies. There's a traffic jam. Okay. Some old temples here in Yakatraka. I don't know. What's this Yaratara? That's why we came here, for these nice temples. What's it called? Ayutthaya. I'll probably get the name right by the time I get to Vietnam. No, Megan, get off there. Megan? This is a classic example of going upstream. Two little boats suffering to go upstream, but this is the reason why. Can you guys
Gonna take that one, put it on.
make up your minds?
She looks so hot in that
Wow, Megan! And they're gonna get new glasses, sunglasses, because
This is actually almost
they
like the
both got 300 baht to spend from grandma and granddad.
Are we gonna take this with our money?
Yeah.
No, then we're gonna buy some.
Ah,
We are here at the junk house.
there's a live band singing, and I'm archiving thousands of GoPro night lapse photos. Thank you. Hello ladies. Look like you're having fun here in the tuk-tuk.